In this video, I will be showing you how you can use your local currency on Exness. Other traders have been asking how to use your local currency on Exness, and this is what I'm here to help you do in this video. So the first thing you should do is log into your Exness account. As you can see, mine is logged in right now. And this is what you should do. You can see there's USD here where I'm pointing right now. There's USD there for you to see. So it means this account right now is showing in USD, but I'm not trading in USD. For you to understand what I'm saying, once I'm placing trade on MT5, I'm using USD. The USD is showing here, but I'm placing the trade based on the cedis I'm using. So I'm in Ghana currently, so I'm using Ghana cedis. So if you're in your country, you see here, once you are using your currency, that's your currency, the currency of your country to trade, you see it right here on your account. You see it right here, but it will show in USD because they are showing you that's the total, the sum of your account in USD. So the equivalent of this 548 GHS is equal to 44.93 USD. So that's what is showing here. That's why you can see USD here and you can see GHS here. It doesn't mean I'm trading in USD. It means I'm trading in GHS, but it's still showing in USD. So let's see how you can use your local currency. Now, the first thing that most traders do is they make the mistake of creating the account and they directly sign into the standard account and they start using. Then they realize that they don't know how to switch to a local currency account. So what you should do, the first thing you should do is, I'm going to create a new account so you can see how you do it. So go on open account. Once you go on open account, you can see select standard. So why am I using the standard? Because of the minimum deposit is 10 USD. The minimum spread is 0.20 spread. So that's why I'm using the standard. So if you have a lot of, money, you can use the pro, the raw spread and the zero spread. But the minimum deposit is what I'm looking. That's why I'm using the standard. So once you choose on the standard, you do what? You click continue. So on the continue, you see a demo account here and you see a real account here. So we are using real account. So what you do is you click on real accounts. So once you click on real account, most times you'll be very fast to just see this USD, thinking there's another way, this USD, thinking there's another way. After you select the USD, there's another way you are going to get your local currency. And before you know, you have successfully create a USD account. So what you do is click there. You can see, search your local currency. I'm using GHS, which is Ghana cedis. So you select Ghana cedis. So I'll select my Ghana cedis. All I'm going to do now is to go down your nickname. You can change your nickname to whatever you want. So your nickname should be whatever you want. Leave the leverage to be this. Just leave it to be this. If you want, something more reasonable for yourself so that you not leverage a lot on your account. So once you've done that, you are using MT5. So mine, I'm using MT5. If you are using MT4, you have to choose MT4. So I'm using MT5. So I'm going to choose MT5. Here is your trading password. So this trading password you are using for Exness. So something you should know also is for Exness, the trading password you use here is the same password you are going to use when you are logging in on your MT5. But for other brokers or for when you are using a prop firm, they are going to give you a password which you use, then you change it later on to your own. Or maybe some prop firm, you don't even change it, you use their own, as time goes on. But for Exness, the trading password you're going to put in here right now is the password you're going to use for your MT5. So I'm going to use a password here. So just follow everything they say, the capital letter, the small letter, and everything, just follow it. So after you've done that, what you're going to do next is create account. So click on create account. You can save your password for the next time and you can leave it. So what can you see now? You can see that my real account is showing in GHS. It means I've successfully created a local currency account. But if you should do the mistake by clicking yes, where I told you to switch the currency from USD to GHS, if you do the mistake of continuing like that, you just discover that you just create a USD account and you don't want to trade on USD account if you are using a small account size. you have to switch into your own local currency so that you know how much you are risking and you'll be satisfied with whatever profit you have on any of your trade. Hope you understand why we are using the local currency now. So this is how you can create a local currency Exness account. So the next video, I'll be using my phone to show you also the same thing. So if you are using a laptop, this is how you can do it. Maybe the phone version also, I'll do it. And if I can't do it, maybe next thing. Now, what you do, if you're asking how you can log in now, this is what you should do. Copy this 1349391258. That's this account. I'm not going to deposit. So if you log in there, you're not going to see anything. So once you copy this particular number now, which is your login number, then the password I used that I told you that I create, once you copy that particular number, you put in there, then you put the password I showed to you, then you successfully log into your account. And you can also trade here, you deposit here, your local currency, you withdraw your local currency, you can also transfer. So what if you make a mistake, you already, created the account and you have already deposited your money on, the USD account. So all you're going to do is just transfer. Once you click on transfer, it's going to direct you to where you can transfer your money from the USD account to the local currency account. So this is what I want to do in this video, and I don't want this video to be long, just simple and short for you to understand what I'm doing here. So guys, I'll see you in my next video.